Okay, so today what we're going to do is we are going to learn how to create some really intricate and amazing design work, abstract design work, using only a compass and a ruler and a pencil, and then we'll also color them in. Now, I have some really awesome lessons. Some of them get kind of more advanced. Some of them are super easy. Now, we're not going to do the super easy ones because quite frankly, they're too easy for you. What you need to do is you're going to pick out one of these cards, one of these drawings here, and you are going to follow the directions, which are on one side, and hopefully your design will show up as it is on this side. Some of them I have marked as really easy. Some of them I have marked as very difficult, okay? So you as an artist can decide what level you want to do yours at. And if you want to practice first, then you can. So like this one would be a really advanced one. This one would be a fairly easy one. So with this one, okay? So going through here, I'm just going to pick one to show you as an example. Okay. So the directions on here say, center on the paper a circle with a 2-inch radius. Now to find a center on a paper, you fold this in half, and just put a little pinch there, and then fold this in half here, and just put a little pinch there. You don't have to go across the whole thing. But you will see a little X has formed, and that is your center, right where that X is. Now, looking at this, I want us to be very clear about what we're looking at here. Along this edge here is a ruler, and on the inside it tells us the radii. This is a 1-inch radius. This is a 2-inch radius. This is very different than 1 inches measured, okay? Because what it's saying is it's 1 inch from here to there, the center point to here. 2-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch radii, all the way to 5-inch radii. So there's all of that. So what you do is you put this little metal brad right here. You put your finger on that little metal brad and you find where you want your hole to go. And you have to have a nice sharp pencil, and you just roll it around like that. And then if your finger gets in the way, you can either lift your finger up out of the way, like this, and finish up, or you can actually move your paper around. And remember, you marked this, so all you have to do is put that middle point back on that mark, put your pencil right back in that measurement, and there you have it. All right, so then I'm reading my directions. Mark a point anywhere on the circle. There's anywhere. Using a compass, mark points at 2-inch intervals around the circle. The last interval may not be exactly 2 inches. So the way that we do that is we use this point, and we know that this is 2 inches from here to here, so we just mark that there. And then we go to the next one, and we mark that there, and we go to the next one, mark it all the way around. And remember, they said it might not line up exactly, and that's okay. And to the next one, which does line up almost exactly. Fantastic. Then on each of these points, center a circle with a 2-inch radius, and then you're ready to color. So all I need to do now is take my 2-inch radius, using that as a center point, go around like that, go to the next spot, using my 2-inch radius, around like that. And one last spot right there. And then I'm going to color it in. It's fantastic.